Okay, following on from that, I've put my thermal data details into the relevant columns. So where I saw a small k, I put it in underneath conductivity. Where I saw a small r, I put it underneath resistivity. And when I saw a capital R or big R, I put it in the final column, which is the resistance. Okay, so now I'm going to find the resistance, right, of all the remainder materials. So I need to find the resistance of external render, resistance of external blockwork, resistance of the polystyrene insulation, the resistance of the internal blockwork, and the resistance of the internal plaster. And I'm going to do that by using these two, the first two formulas you see here. So where it says R is equal to T divided by K, and R is equal to T multiplied by small r. Okay, so the first one is where I have a thickness and conductivity, I must divide the thickness by the conductivity. Okay, so if you look at the external blockwork here, I have a thickness and a conductivity. So what I do is I divide the 0.1 by 1.44. Okay, so what I'll do is this, I'm going to divide it by this, and that'll give me an answer. So that's what I have. Okay, now another conductivity and thickness one here, these two. Okay, now if you notice I have this and this, therefore it's going to have the same as this one here, and I'm just going to show you. 1 divided by, what was the bracket? As you can see, so now it's the polystyrene. So the same thing, I just click it. So it's 0.05 divided by 0.037, and I get that value. So now I've got most of my resistance. I should have to find it now for the external render and the internal plaster. So this time I'm going to use a second formula here, which is R is equal to thickness multiplied by resistivity. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set it up. So it's going to be thickness, which is 0.016, and I'm going to multiply it by 2.17, and I will get that. Likewise, I'm going to do the exact same thing here. So let's like that. So it's thickness multiplied by resistivity will give me the resistance, and there we go. Now in this column here is a total resistance. All I do is I add them all up. So equals, so I'll add them all up. And there is my total resistance. Now, right, that's RT. So to get the U value, I divided 1 by that. So what I'm going to do is equal 1 divided by this, and that should give me my U value. So as you can see, that there is going to be my U value. Okay.